This digital product is quietly making this seller over $7,000 per month. And people don't realize how easy it is to produce. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step system, how to find digital products, how to validate these digital products, and how to create them using AI. And once you understand this, you can repeat it again and again. So let's get into this. Now, as you can see, this is a listing of something called a birth flower. In this case, a birth flower family bouquet. This is a family bouquet which shows different flowers representing the birth months for the different family members. So for example, you can see that there's a daisy part of the flowers and that represents April. So one of the family members would have been born in April and so forth. And then you've just got the names of the family members also at the bottom of the bouquet digital download. And birth month is very, very popular because it's a kind of personalized emotional feeling where people feel like they have something that is personalized just for them. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this really quickly using AI. But first of all, let's start with the proof. So let's jump on to Everbeam, our go-to research SEO tool, to make sure that we can validate that this actually is not a one-off, but it actually sells with different sellers, and it is also quite popular. So let's check this out. Okay guys, so I'm jumped on to Everbeam. You can see I've typed in birth month flower PNG here, and I'm literally looking at sort of the sales. Now birth month in essence is a massive niche, and not only is it good for digital products, it's really good for many different niches out there or categories. So I can see already on the first page that there are many different listings for different sellers also selling. And don't forget, I haven't even looked at many different, slightly different keywords where I can also find other birth month digital products that are sold. So it's definitely something that I can see that is validated, that is working well. Even when I looked at the keyword score is also very good, which means that it's not saturated. There's plenty of room for new sellers to get into it. So this tells me there's real demand. And if you want to do this kind of research, you can try it out for free using my Everbee link below. Okay, so I'm in Everbee right now. I've just gone into something called product analytics. So I can just study the products, the digital product sellers in the keyword category of birth month flower PNG. Remember, there are different combinations of keywords that I can use for birth month flower, but I'm just going to use one of these, and I can see already that there's quite a few being sold in the birth month flower category, which is a very good sign. And I have gone into this keyword, and it's a very popular keyword, and at the same time not so saturated, which means that as a newbie going into this category, you're able to go in and you're able to also make sales as long as you have your own original idea within this. So this tells me there's real demand. Now, the reason why these are so good and they do sell, because they're personal and they're emotional. And they work for many times of the year, whether it be for gifts in terms of wedding gifts, birthday gifts, Mother's Day gifts, Father's Day gifts. They actually work for so many different gift types. And any digital product that has a sort of personal side to it tends to do very well. Okay, so now that we've established that, let's create a birth month bouquet style digital product like the one that we saw, because that did very well in terms of money, using my AI design tool called Kittle. And just remember guys, you don't need any art or design skills. This is purely going to be created using AI. So, people that do this and sell these, they're not designers or artists. They just have a systematic approach of doing this, and they know how to use AI tools, which I'm going to show you now. So if you do want to try it yourself, I've also linked the Kittle link below, and you can try it for free. I've also got 25% off all the plans if you use my promo code AJYT. Kittle. And what I did was I opened up a canvas, if you like, in a portrait style, which is typically how the bouquet style birth month flower uses those canvases. And what I'm going to do first of all is, now you have to just imagine that you have a birth month flowers. So let's say a customer asks you to create a bouquet for their family, and in their family they have people that are born in different months. Okay, so let's say there are 4 family members, right, that the customer wants the bouquet for. 1, the son born in April, which means that the representation for that is a daisy. The daughter was born in June, which means that the rose represents June. The father born in August, which means that's a poppy. And March for the mother, which is the daffodil. Okay, so I'm going to put that all together in a bouquet, and I'm going to put the name of the family at the bottom. So what I do is I'm using AI. I'm going to go at the bottom and I'm going to say create a vintage style bouquet for birth month flowers, and I'm going to say include a daffodil, daisy, poppy, and rose. Okay, so the 4 members of the family with the different birth months, and I'm going to click generate. That's it. I'm going to keep it quite simple. I can do different styles, by the way. If I want to add more to it, I can say I want more of a watercolor style. I could do more of a line art style. And remember, there are other types of styles, design styles that are also quite popular. So maybe you could even offer different styles. Now, I'm using AI design model called Nano Banana. Now, there are many design models that you could use. Flux, Ideogram, Seedream. That's the beauty about Kittle. They have many design models. I'm going to use Nano Banana because not only is it fast, takes about 15 seconds to create, but it also has high quality. Now let me see what it looks like. I might have to tweak a few things, but let's see if this works first of all. And if I don't like it, I can always change it up slightly anyway. So let's go to generate. Okay guys, here it is. It took 15 seconds. Now I did add a couple of words where I forgot to add on my prompt. I said create a watercolor vintage style bouquet. So I did watercolor, and then at the end I also said in a painting style on a white background, just so that I can keep it on a white background, right? And that's what it created for me, right? A simple bouquet. Now you could do things like add a ribbon to it to hold the bouquet, but that looks really, really nice. What I'll probably do is I'd probably want to get it to fit inside my background, right? Which is the artboard. So I'm just going to sort of move it around slightly. I can see that slightly it's got although it's got a white background, I'm going to remove the background anyway, because there's a slight tinge of a different kind of color to it. So I've removed the background. There you go. It's sitting really nicely now. Now remember, you can add bits to it. You can say you want the stems to be longer, for example. You want to add a little ribbon at the bottom. Remember, sometimes the customer wants certain things and it's quite easy to do that. So that's my bouquet. And then what I can do is add some words at the bottom. So if I go to T in the top left hand corner, go to headline, go to change the style of text, go here. I want to say handwriting because it's quite nice, and say Johnson family, because they either tend to write the names of the family members or they like the name of the family there somehow, right? That's what they tend to like for this product. So I'm going to put Johnson family, make sure it's all there and lined up. Okay, let's have a look. And that is it, guys. It's as simple as that. Obviously, I can change whatever I want. I can even change the writing color if I wanted to. If they want it slightly different, that's fine. Okay. And that's it, guys. That's as simple as that. And then all you need to do is download it. Just make sure, double check the sizing is correct. Make sure that you got the right format, which you have on Kittle, different formats, DPI, optimize the quality before you download it. And that's it. I've already removed the background. Click download. And it's as simple as that, guys. Creating a personalized custom birth month flower design for your customer. And guys, if you like breakdowns like this with real numbers, real data, feel free to check out my other videos on my channel. And you're a beginner and you want to start selling digital products on Etsy, then I have a free masterclass which shows you how to start a beginner-friendly digital product business, which is something that you can create once using AI, sell repeatedly, and scale it really easily. So do check out my free training masterclass. The link is below. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And guys, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take